I haven't been recording because I don't know. Right now, I'm gonna try to edit. I messed up. So. Hold on, guys. Okay. So today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Right now, I'm going to do for my scooter. So, ride on my scooter and off my scooter. And Levi, which is my friend behind me, is going to do it in off. Yeah, it did not crack my phone. Yeah, cause so yeah, that was my jump. Levi, can I have my scooter? Cause I'm gonna do this on off cam. You gotta hold my phone so they can show me on my scooter on off cam. Stay right there. I still need to practice that. A train's coming through. Train's coming through. Run, guys! Train. Okay, there's a train. There's a train coming through. I think it's coming through any minute soon. But still down there. Subscribe to me. I'm True Videos. It might not pop up for some reason. I tried it last time on my phone. It won't pop up.
I need to end this video.
But it has a train too on it. And it just has the engines. That's it. Just the engines. Just coming through. And then there's skydiving and everything. So subscribe to me. And I gotta see what kind of train this is. See, you have to lie over there? That's the train. We gotta wait until the horn starts and we gotta run off. This way. I need my phone. Till the train come by. Just that's it. Just until. So if you see the railroad crossing gates going down, the train's coming through. I don't know who those people are. Once the horn goes off, give me the camera. No. I want to take a video. Okay, so there's a train coming through right now. And it's coming up closer. Might even hear the horn. Shh. Might even hear the horn. know. There goes the river crossing gates. They're going down.
What?
Okay, the railroad crossing gates are going down. So you gotta
Come on.
shh.
Go the other way.
You gotta hear it till the trains come.
Go, go, go!
Get off the track! Get off! I know what I'm doing to trains.
Wait, did you record that whole thing?
So a train. This is a train. It looks like it's a long one.
It's like stopping, sort of.
I hear the rumble.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
that means the train's coming close. As far away, it looks like he's going very slow, but once it gets closer, it's really
Shh.
fast.
Get off the tracks! Well, you better cover your hearing. Get off the tracks, dummy! Try to get yourself killed! Get off! Hard cap for the board. This is awesome! Yeah! Sounds like it's getting slower! There's a train at the end! Oh, here comes a train! The 3000, the new one! Yeah, the new one! Woo! Yeah, the new one! Woo! The new one! Wait up for me, the new one! The 3000! You hear this?
Wait, what?
The 3000's right there. That's the 3000 right there. The obviously new one.
Oh, that was amazing.
That one's the loudest one in the world. It's the loudest one. Kid from down there might come at 7 something.
Alright, thanks guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe button.
And please subscribe to me about the train, because I didn't do the whole train, okay? So leave in the comments and below and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day for me too. So bye.